Hi, my munchies. I'm Alyssia, and if you're watching this video, you probably already know that because you likely wouldn't be here if you hadn't gotten to know my dear pup and best friend, Kristen. She was truly my soulmate, and over the last 4 years, she made me who I am, and unfortunately, this last month, she passed away. I wanted to share a video to honor her here because she became a big part of the community here on YouTube, and anyone following me on Instagram knows she was the main event. She was pretty much all that I posted. A lot of you may remember that she had liver disease. We rescued her at 2 years old. Within a week of getting her, we found out that she had the liver disease, and they told us that she would only make it 6 months. She ended up sticking around for 4 years, and the liver disease didn't even get her. It was some random tumor elsewhere. So if anything is a testament to a holistic approach to health and diet being key to health, it is Kristen. I really think that the diet we kept her on is what gave her the life that she had, which was longer than any vet could believe. Anyway, our editor Joe made a really nice video for us, and since Kristen's birthday and my birthday were both earlier this week, we only had 1 day between them. I thought that this would be a nice time. I thought that this would be a nice time to share the video with you guys. So we're gonna press pause this week on our regular content. I hope you'll understand. We will post a regular video again next week. Keep in mind that Joe did make this video for Christian and I, so it's a bit more personal. It has like home videos in it and stuff. I don't look glamorous. Our house is messy. You're gonna see a part in the video that features all of the names that we used to call Kristen. So Bonky and Donk Bonk and Doot Doot, and you know, don't judge me. But anyway, it won't all make sense to you, and that's okay. But I did just want to take a moment here on YouTube to share her and let you guys know. Her last appearance on the channel was a few weeks ago in our Aldi haul, but I will link more videos below if you want to see any of the other content that she was featured in and remember her. Thank you all for your kindness and your love of Kristen over the years. And thanks to everyone too on social media. I posted here on YouTube, but also Instagram and email, and I got so many really nice comments and messages, and it really meant a lot to me and Christian. So thank you. And I just hope that you can enjoy this little slideshow featuring my best friend.
Hey, Kristen.
Oh yeah? What do you got there?
Kristen, what are you guys doing right now, huh? Chilling out?
Look at this mess. Look at this mess.